there's a story behind this cafe. It's named after somebody who actually never worked at Michelin, but people here know who he was. In the late 1960s, Robert Manouche was on a mission to bring international business to Nova Scotia with a unique approach. Travel first class back and forth across the ocean. Because in the 60s, that's how the somebodies traveled. And that's how Manouche met the somebody who knew the somebody who knew that Michelin, in France, were looking to set up shop somewhere in North America. Audaciously, Manouche wrote a letter right to the top. Manouche pitched Nova Scotia to the head of Michelin in France. Nova Scotia was ideal, had the right geography, the right workforce, the right stuff. One long lunch and a lot of investment, planning, effort, people. And over 50 years later, here we are. 3 plants employing thousands. It's the story of serendipity meeting opportunity and its impact on an entire province.